to you much these days, but I hear you're doing fine. I remember the tears down your face when you told me goodbye. Baby girl, that's alright, 'cause I got good company and my trouble's outside. And I'm sitting here with all of my friends, drinking beer like the night won't end. Red wine in a Dixie cup, all night till the sun comes up. I think I've made up my mind. I don't need you in my life, I'm doing just fine. You think you got it figured out, you got me on lockdown. I tell you girl, I've moved on. And now you're trying to see, you can't understand why you left me. Ooh, you're coming back around. I should have known you'd do me wrong. I got a lot to make up for the time that I was gone. So I'm sitting here with all of my friends, drinking beer like the night won't end. Red wine in a Dixie cup, all night till the sun comes up. I think I've made up my mind. Yes, I did. I don't need you in my life, I'm doing just fine. On the inside, dancing in the kitchen with the bottle of wine. Sitting here with the beer in my hand, couple of boys in the dude cake stands. Blonde-headed girl, looking my way, grab me by the hand, take her up the staircase. Don't know her name, she don't know mine, hell, I really know she's so fine. Sitting here with all of my friends, drinking beer like the night won't end. Red wine in a Dixie cup, all night till the sun comes up. I think I've made up my mind. I don't need you in my life. Oh, oh yes, I've made up my mind. I'm doing just fine.
Can't wait to try them all. Going around the world in on fancy cars. Look at all the stars. I can't believe this is true. It took 5 full years to find you. We're just getting started, baby. I can't control myself lately. Oh, but you know that, and you know that, and you know that, and you know that. We're just getting started, baby.
harder you get to know me, the better then